Therefore, we'll do a. Are you with me?
Yes, my lord.
It comes with a report. It's a report which he has drafted after being asked questions. There's nothing asking questions about the mechanism, how it operates, etc., the coordinates, etc. And then he prepares a report on the queries which we have raised, all of you.
Yes, my lord.
Then he presents that report.
Yes.
Then you've got the right to cross-examine him. But you don't see the report first, like you want to do. And thereafter you say, I don't agree with this. He presents it as it is. What is what you, factum probanda, you
As
call
the
it?
court business, my lord, with due respect, I cannot make any admissions towards that
No,
report
I don't want admissions.
at this stage.
No,
Yes.
you don't making any. This gentleman prepares a report,
Yes.
and then he presents it.
Yes.
And then you cross-examine him on whatever aspect.
Yes.
Mr. Are you with me, Mr.
That's
Mbanzo?
correct, Minister. That should be your position.
I agree, my lord. Thank you.
And you, sir?
Indeed, my lord.
Okay, fine. So that is how we're going to proceed.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Right, so who's the next witness? Cross-examination, you said?
Yes, and further on, we left the date open as to when he'll be coming back.
Yeah.
He let us know as soon as he's ready,
Fine.
and he'll then be recalled.
Okay, fine. Yes, Mr. Sergeant Khani, sorry, you're still on that.
Sergeant Khani, Thobela,
Umalo.
Mr.
I mean, Mr. Please, are you through with this? You never cross-examined him.
No, I haven't started.
The witness
I like
confirms
You
that
never did. You said you don't have questions, you remember? And then he was superseded by Dupree. Then you had cross-examining. I'm not saying you can't cross-examine him now. You can do so if you want to.
I was just about to begin, my lord, when the state requested the indulgence to lead the
Oh, I see.
evidence of
Okay,
Mr.
fine.
Dupree.
You're
Yes.
right, no problem.
My lord, but then there is subsequent to the discussion that we had with regard to what the status of that report should actually be. It had just come to my mind, my lord, that most probably, having had possession or seen the report of Mr. Dupree that is going to be presented, there is that likelihood that there would be issues that I would love to take up with this witness on the basis of that report that is going to be prepared.
Yeah, fair. I hear you.
So I'm not even so sure, my lord, whether it will be fair for this witness for me to start to cross-examine him without having had sight of that report and decide whether or not there are issues that I would love to take him up on the basis of that report.
But this is after Dupree has presented the report.
Yes.
Yeah, let's have that clear. Not that you see the report first.
Yeah, I'm not changing what we agreed upon.
Quarrel,
Yes. Yes, madam. So what I'm saying is...
no, fine, I take that point.
Yes. So what I'm saying is I'm not even so sure whether it is in the interest of justice that I should start my cross-examination with this witness when there's a likelihood that the content of that report would necessitate me cross-examining this witness
Yeah, fine, no.
on that report.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yes.
Okay.
So I'm not so sure where does that then leave us, my lord. If the
Now we
state
can
is,
adjourn the evidence of this witness also.
yes, my lord.
Because it makes sense. He was the person who activated the AVLL system by driving the vehicle. Fine. Ms. Mshololo?
As it please the court, my lord. Thank you.
My lord, it is the same position with myself, my lord, that I would like to do the cross-examination after Mr. Dupree.
Okay, Mr. Ngamaro?
My lord, I submit that it is more convenient that we lead the evidence of Mr. Dupree, and then from there we see the way forward. Thank you.
Okay. Mr. Mgomezulu?
Same sentiment, my lord.
Right, the state?
Well, that's in order with us.
All right. You understand English, Sergeant? Even when he was trying to speak freely with Mr. Mgomezulu yesterday.
Okay.
Yeah, I agree with the sentiments that it is proper for Mr. Dupree to present the report. You have already testified about the exigency of driving the vehicle, it's stopping where, the idling, etc., etc., etc. There could possibly be questions arising from the report which are not irreconcilable with your evidence. And the defense has got a right to clear that up with you, okay? So we're going to adjourn your evidence. I don't know until when.
Le sa go polang ke re gore maobane ba ile ba emisha ka pele ga gore ba le botše dipotšišo wa bitswa setsebi se leng gore se tlile sa tlhatlholla raporoti e jwatše setsebi sengwe ga se tšwe se fetše go na le dilo tše mmalwa tše leng gore ba santše ba nyaka gore setsebi seuwe se tle se ba tlhalošetše ka sone ka moraga mouwe ba re ke gona motlhomong ba ka tlang ba tswela pele ba tlo ba le botšiše dipotšišo ka lebaka la gore go na le dilo tše dingwe tše e leng gore setsebi sela se ka tla sa di tlhatlholla se e leng gore dilo tša gona di be di le mo go yona report ya AVL tše e leng gore di nyaka gore motlhomong ba tle ba botšiše ka tšona ba tle ba khumane ba tle ba kgone gore lena ba kgonthišiše dilo tše dingwe tše di rileng ka yona report ye e leng gore e tla be setsebi sela e se hlakišitše gabotse le ya kwešiša bjale bohlatse ba lena go ra gore bo sa tlo emišwa kgoro e re ga e tsebe gore go fitlhelela neng. I will be waiting, my lord.
Okay, thanks.
Mr. Mnyisibeko uyena bekufanele ukuthi aqaleke abuze uSergeant Mukhane imibuzo kodwa ke ngenxa yokuthi ke kunalokho kwenzekileke izolo nkathi Mr. Dupree ekhona ke elayinikeza ngobufakazi base beyahlanganyela ke umshushisi kanye nabameli ukuthi ke cha bayaqela ukuthi lo mbiko Mr. Dupree awenze kabusha manje ukuthi Mr. Mnyisike akaboni ukuthi ke noba kuzoba kwenziwa ke ubulungiswa uma engaqhubeka ke ngalofakazi kungekafiki ke lo yambiko lo yana ke ka Dupree ngoba ke yena ke uSergeant Mukhane naye ke uyena umuntu owayeshayela le moto uDupree azokwenza ngayo umbiko omusha kunalo ebewulethe enkantolo ngaleso sizathu ke bayacela bayavumelana bonke ke abameli kanye nomshushisi kanye nomehlulo uyavuma ke naye ukuthi ke ufakazi lona ke akamiswe asazi ukuthi uzolinda kuze kube ninike.
Okay, so what do we do?
As a court, please, my lord, we did intimate at the previous occasion that the next witness that the state will be calling is Sergeant Mokhula.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, she's writing an exam, my lord. My learned friends have got no objection if we stand the matter down until Monday to continue to commence with her evidence.
Okay. Is she alleged to have been amongst the persons who assaulted accused number 2?
No.
Or present?
No. She in fact, she wasn't.
She came with Ginanda.
Yeah. Well.
When Ginanda was sitting on the.
There's the name that was mentioned, but obviously.
Yeah, fine.
Her evidence will be different.
Yeah. Oh, okay, fine. Okay, so we postpone until Monday.
Yes.
Sorry to the reporters, you have an early day.
Jwale ka ga re tlhalositse lena botlhatse ba lena botla ema sepedi se re moleta ngwedi ke moleta le swiso ga re tsebe gore ba tlo le bijaneng re ya leboga outi ya leta kwa go yena ramolao paloi.
Yeah, because of those unforeseen circumstances, then we adjourn until Monday morning. Okay, thank you.